Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at one of the most popular gaming headsets on the market, the HyperX Cloud II gaming headset. With its mix of comfort, sound quality, and affordability, it's been a fan favorite for years. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. The Cloud II is built for comfort during those marathon gaming sessions. It features memory foam ear cushions and a lightweight aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel without being heavy on your head. Plus, it comes in two colors, classic black and red, or the sleek gunmetal gray. Now, what's a headset without soothing sound? The HyperX Cloud II features 53 mid drivers that deliver crisp highs, clear mids, and rich bass. Whether you're immersed in an RPG world or locked in an intense FPS match, the audio quality is phenomenal. And here's the best part. It offers 7.1 virtual surround sound, giving you a competitive edge by helping you pinpoint enemy locations with precision. Communication is key in gaming, and the Cloud II comes with a detachable noise-canceling microphone. Your voice comes through crystal clear whether you're coordinating with teammates or streaming to your audience. It's Discord and TeamSpeak certified, so you know it's built for gamers. One of the standout features of the Cloud II is its versatility. It's compatible with PCs, PS5, Xbox, and even mobile devices. The USB sound card enhances audio on PC and Mac, while the 3.5mm jack ensures seamless compatibility with consoles and phones. And let's not forget about the value. With a price point under $100, the HyperX Cloud II offers premium features that rival much more expensive headsets. It's durable, reliable, and perfect for gamers of all levels. So, is the HyperX Cloud II gaming headset worth it? Absolutely. If you're ready to elevate your gaming experience, click the affiliate link in the description to grab yours today. It's a win for your gaming setup and helps support the channel too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming gear reviews. Game on, and I'll see you in the next video.